Alright guys, so not too long ago, these shoes actually went through some pretty heavy rainwater, and they seem to be falling apart rather quickly now. And so we're going to take these shoes for one final, let me adjust you guys real quick. But yeah, these shoes definitely went through some heavy rainwater and have really been worked in, as you can see right there, then on the bottom, on the heels. But yeah, these went through heavy rainwater, like I said, and they've seemingly started to fall apart faster than if they had just never gone through rainwater. And I don't know what rainwater specifically does, if it's just more acidic or what, but it did something to the duct tape wheels I had, and they just got real torn up, or like the duct tape got real torn off. But yeah, I am going to take these for a quick skate around Arvada tonight and just see how it goes. But other than that, let's get to skating and see how it goes.
Get on my head. 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 You said never let me go. 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 Get on my head. 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 Get on my
So these shoes are a lot tougher than I had originally thought they were, because as you can see, they're kind of wearing out, but not as fast as I thought they would be, considering the fact that they're Walmart shoes and they seem to be wearing faster than normal, but not as fast as, like, let's say like a shoe that's a lot softer soled. But yeah, definitely I feel like if I continue to skate these much longer, yeah, they're gonna get a hole completely blown out in the sole. But yeah, other than that, um, they're okay. They're kind of meh for skate shoes, but if you need something quick and simple and easy, they're probably what you're gonna be looking for. But I would say other than that, if you're looking for real skate shoes, Vans, Braille shoes, any reputable skate shoe brand is gonna definitely do you a lot better than these. But until next time, until next video, see you guys then.